Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUSTeK GX10 AI Supercomputer, DGX Spark, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how some industries are changing faster than others? AI is one of those areas that's pushing boundaries every day. We're not talking about fancy robots here, we're talking about the tools that will change the game for developers, researchers, and data scientists. And if you're on the forefront of this revolution, there's a product that's caught our attention, the ASUSTeK GX10 AI Supercomputer. For those who are curious about AI but aren't exactly tech-savvy, let me tell you, this thing is like having your own personal supercomputer in a tiny package. It's not just for experts. It's designed to empower anyone who wants to dive into AI development and create something new. Whether you're building an app or training models, the possibilities are endless. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this thing really worth the investment? The verdict is still out on that one, but let's break down some of its killer features and see if it lives up to the hype. One of the things that's got us excited about the ASUSTeK GX10 AI Supercomputer is its extreme performance. Imagine having a machine that can deliver 1 petaflop of AI performance, that's like solving a million math problems in 1 second. And with 128 gigabytes of memory, you can fine-tune your models for up to 200 billion parameters without running out of juice. But this thing isn't just about raw power. It's also designed for developers who want to build secure and long-running workflows. The platform is optimized for AI development, supporting popular frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw. It even supports private on-device inference, sandboxed execution, and governed data access, all of which are essential for building trustworthy AI systems. Now, let's talk about the architecture. One thing that stands out about this machine is its scalability. The NVIDIA NVLink C2C technology provides ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication, while the NVIDIA Connect X7 networking lets you connect multiple GX10 units to unlock superior performance. This means you can use it as a single unit or stack them up for even more processing power. Of course, no machine is perfect, and there are some downsides to consider. We've heard from customers that the cooling system works like a charm, but if you're not using the machine in a well-ventilated area, you might notice some heat buildup. Nothing too dramatic, but it's something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. How does this thing perform when you actually need it? From our tests, we can tell you that it delivers on its promises. Developers who've used the ASUSTeK GX10 AI Supercomputer rave about its speed and reliability. It's like having a dedicated supercomputer at your fingertips. Everything feels buttery smooth, whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. If I'm being honest, there is one thing that might be a bit of a drawback for some users: the price. We know it's not cheap, but when you consider what you're getting, it starts to feel like an investment worth making. After all, if you're serious about building your own AI projects or helping others do so, this machine is the perfect tool. So, is the ASUSTeK GX10 AI Supercomputer worth buying? If you're on the cusp of something big in AI development and need a reliable partner to help you get there, then yes. This thing delivers on its promises and leaves us wondering how we ever managed without it. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.